Identifying shading. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open up layout. We've got a report that several panels are underproducing. And we can see these guys right down here. Compared to this panel over in the corner, vastly different production. So the first thing we'll do is we'll look up at the top. We'll go to Show Playback. What we can then do is either hit play up here at the top and go through the day, or if you want, you can just grab that red bar and scroll through the timeline and see various times of day. Here we've already got some pretty clear indications that we've got shading going on. We can also see that the panel is producing better than the ones around it at least one point of the day. Let's do some more investigation. Instead of opening daily, let's open up weekly. And then we can select several days where we've got some good sun. And then we can take a look at them as well. We'll scroll through this day. And you can see the time code over on the left-hand side as well. And look at this shading pattern happening right here. Okay, we've got another day where we've got good sun and another day right here. Let's go ahead and confirm that on this day right here. We'll scroll through our time. And lo and behold, we've got the exact same shading pattern. Just to be diligent about this, we'll go through yet another day, and we see the exact same shading pattern. This becomes quite an issue as we get into the fall months and the sun is lower in the sky, and we get a lot more shading out of trees from around. But, I mean, we look at this, we look at several days right at the same time period, and we've got production from these panels that's on par with the ones around it. In this situation, I think we've got a pretty clear-cut case that this is not a situation where a panel is underproducing or an optimizer is underproducing. This is shading. Thanks for joining us in the SolarEdge Learning Lab. Have a great day.